Namaste students, welcome to our social class. The first lesson this year is about family values. Yes, we already discussed this topic. There are many things that we can learn from our family. Okay, from each member you can learn. So there are some families here in the lesson 1. All of you open your content book to this page, what you are seeing on the screen. Okay, and there is a family of Ginny. She wants a bicycle, and her parents and even the child also, they decide together. Okay, what is there for us to learn from this? Okay, important decisions are taken by all the family members together, whether buying a new thing or any other issue. All the family members decide what has to be done or what kind of thing has to be brought home. In the second paragraph, you can see that it is Diwali and they are cleaning and decorating their house to invite their relatives. And our friend Sony wants to, okay, while cleaning, she kept aside her books, clothes, and toys which she is not using anymore, and she wants to give them to the house help's daughter. House help's daughter means the servant maid's daughter. So when you give these things to the servant maid's daughter, right, we can definitely make the child very happy. Okay, we can bring a smile on their face. So donating the things that we are not using anymore, okay, they can bring a smile on someone's face. So what is that we have learned from this two paragraph? From the first paragraph, we learned that important decisions are taken by all the family members, right? They're together they'll decide. Second thing, if there is a festival or any occasion, all the family members together should clean the house and decorate the house. That is how we share the household chores, right? And also the little girl is trying to donate. She has decided that she is going to give her old clothes, toys and books to the maid's daughter. So that is how we can make people happy. You can be kind, they'll praise you. Okay, they'll talk nice things about you, right? And in the next paragraph, we see that it is evening and Sarah and her brother and her friends, they have played, but they remember their mother's words. Mother told, mother's name is Sheena. Sarah's mother's name is Sheena. She told her children to come back before it is dark. So the children remember these words and they come back home. But what was it in earlier? How was it in earlier? When Sarah's mother Sheena was a child, she was not allowed to go out and play. Why? Why so? Because in those days, women used to stay at home. They were not allowed to go out. Only men were allowed to go out. Boys were allowed to go out. And women and girls were expected to take care of the household work or look after the younger siblings or children. So it was like that. But tell me, students, is it like that now? No? Yes, more number of women in cities, they go to work. Both father and mother both go to work, and when they come back also they share the household work and they take care of the children. This is how it is. Like more in more number of families, we see that both the parents are working, they also share the household work and they do it together, right? And let us learn more. Here we have the picture, right? Okay, this is a picture of, right, this is the picture of the family. And what is that they are doing? They are cleaning the house. You can see they're mopping, cleaning the surface. Okay, they are doing the work together. What is there to learn from this picture? We can understand that When we share the household work, when all the family members do it together, the work gets done faster. It will be finished faster. And we'll have more free time. The family members will be having more free time. They can use it to watch TV or spend time together and have a lot of fun, right? Next, here are some keywords. DUTY, duty, ELDER, elder, HOUSEHOLD, household, DECISION, decision. Okay, these are the keywords: household, elder, duty, decision. And this is the table that you see now. Okay, this you have to copy in your classwork. While bringing the books, you also brought notebooks, right? One book you keep aside for social classwork. Okay, there in that you copy this table. What is this table about? You should fill up these blanks. Okay, on one side, left side, you have people in the family. In your family, who are the people? You can write like grandfather, uncle or father, elder brothers, whoever are there, right? You can write there on the left. On the right side, you should write one thing which you learn from each member. Okay, from every member. Okay, from mother, from father, or uh, your younger brother. So what is there to learn? You should write. Next, family values. This is the worksheet. Okay, and did you understand what to write here? See, from mother we can learn that she helps everyone. She sees that everyone is comfortable and happy. From father you can learn hardworking. From looking at elder brother, you can see how they are studying hard, your elder brother and sister. From grandmother, how to take care of people, how to be nice and polite. From each member you can learn something. That thing you write it on the right side better. It's very, very easy. Okay, then we'll move forward to our worksheet. So first of all, put the date and read the worksheet and what are you supposed to answer. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct word from the bracket. In the brackets they gave you two answers. Among the two answers only one is right. Okay, Karthik stays with his father. Karthik has a dash family. Okay, in Karthik's family only two members are there, Karthik and father. So what type of a family is it? Is it big family? Is it a large family or small family? You have to tick only one correct answer and write it there. Next, Manjat lives in a big house with his parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins. So what type of a family is it? You write in the blank. Is it a small family or a large family? Okay, when there are more number of people, you have to decide what type of a family it will be. Then C1, Rita lives with her parents, a younger brother, parents, okay, two here, a younger brother, elder brother and a pet cat. So she lives in a large family or a small family, you write it over there. D1, Sam lives with his sister and mother. Sam has a dash family. So how many members are there in Sam's family? You have to count. Sam, his sister and mother. Only 3 members. So you decide whether it is a small family or large family and write neatly. Right? Now the second question here is, give an example of each of the following. One has been done for you. Okay, you have to give an example. Already they have done one first one so that you understand how to do it, students. Very easily you can do it. Only thing is that you have to read the question again and again till you understand. How can you help someone at home? Help father to wash the scooter. Okay, we help our father or mother many times watering the plants or cleaning the scooter or cutting the vegetables for mother or taking care of our siblings homework and guiding them. There are many things that you do at home. So this is the time for you to write them down, right? So B question, how can you be kind to someone at home? How can you be kind to someone at home? You can ask them if they want anything, or if they're asking for anything, you can bring it to them immediately, or just speaking polite words or spending time with people and talking with them and trying to know everything about them. That's enough. You can be kind. This is being kind to the people. Taking care of people is nothing but being kind. Right, students? So you write it on the right side. Now the C question, question C, how can you show respect for someone at home? Okay, everything begins with our family. Okay, we learn all these values from our family. Good things are taught at family first. Right, students? Next, school. Okay, our mother tells us what is right and what is wrong. From looking at father, we can learn so many things, how to get the things done. And grandmother or grandparents, they guide you and tell you how to do things. Okay, how can you show respect for someone at home? Right, you can wish them, you can take care of them, or you can just simply follow. You have to follow their words, what they are asking you to do, what is the right way which they are saying. If you do that, that's enough. Right, you can show respect. How can you share your things with others at home? Okay, your things like your books or your stationery or uh, other things or gay sports equipment, you can share with your siblings, right? Siblings, or this is how you can share things with others at home. You should not fight with them or argue with them. If they're asking, then you give, share, and make them happy. Next, E question, how can you take care of something at home? So each one of us do will definitely do something for the family. Like, even though you are children, you can like just water the plants or get something from the shopkeeper, or you can take care of your siblings or the baby, and you can help your brother or sister in completing their homework or project work. There are many things that you can do. Okay, so you can take care of something, like you should decide, okay, every day I'm going to do this for my family, and write it there. If you are already doing, good, thumbs up for you, big applause for you. If you are already doing, I know that definitely you all do it for your family. Write it there, just write it there in neat handwriting. Next, Meena's family works together to clean the house and cook food. Okay, Meena's family, all the family members, they work together to clean the house. Together they'll clean, dusting. What is cleaning house, Nana? Dusting the house, mopping the floors, sweeping the floors, keeping everything in their place. Okay, setting the table or changing the bed sheets, just hanging out the towels, wet towels. You can keep your house clean in this manner. So all the family members together do this cleaning. Whose family we are talking about? We are talking about Meena's family. Okay, Meena's family cleans the house together and they also cook food together, so helping each other, right? So what is there to learn from Meena's family? Is there anything that we can follow from Meena's family? Tell me, students. Yes, we too can clean the house, share the household work. Okay, you, if you are doing fine, you are super kids. If you are not doing, just find out what you can do for your family, right? So these are the things that you can learn. What are the things? Like sharing the household work. Number one, sharing the household work from uh, Meena's family, and enjoying the works like cooking food, these are some things, okay, being together, right, students? And there is another thing that we have to go watch it. What is it? Let's see it, right? Just a minute. Here we have, right, yeah.
Our family teaches us to help each other, to share things, to be truthful, that girls and boys are equal, and that members of the family must take decisions together.
Okay, so what is there? It was a little bit tilted, right? So, what is there? Our family teaches us. Okay, what are the values that we can learn from our family? Helping each other, respecting each other. We have to respect and taking decisions together. Okay, being polite. All these things we learn from our family. So that was a lesson, students. Complete your worksheet, copy the table in your notebook and do answer it. Read the lesson twice, underline the new words. So that's all for today, students. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.